On the shoulder. Something like that. Right, okay, so yeah, it is the morning of the car collection because it's the morning of the car collection. So Nitron Suspension has gone on, and yeah, just general servicing type stuff. New PPF film, self-healing stuff, not the nonsense department bought the car. So yeah, very exciting. Early hours of the morning, winter December day.
Very cold.
Cold.
Bit wet.
Harry and I, away we go. Right, catch you later. Okay, so people are off on the Orient Express. And if you're going to go on the Orient Express, clearly you're going to be greeted properly.
In the night and repeats in my ear. Don't you know, little fool, you never can win.
Right, so those of you not from the UK, yeah, so a little bit of the Orient Express then, and now into the best form of travel in London, which is a black cab. Because if you're going to get about, use your feet or a cab, one or the other. Don't get on the underground. It's filthy. It's filthy dirty. Anyway, underway. Yay. So we've reached Paddington. Harry's gone full wrap up because it's bloody freezing. So we're just waiting for the train to Great. Is it right? Okay, I can't remember. I get this wrong every time. Is it Malvern or is it Malvern? Malvern, Great Malvern. Anyway, we're just waiting for the train. Waiting for the platform to be announced, and then we'll be underway. So yes, onwards, people. Yeah, it has. Go again. So here you go, has. Do you just have to drag that door open?
Yeah. There was no button. That's really confusing.
It didn't auto open. Didn't auto open, so I had to drag the door. Bye train.
It wasn't a bad train journey.
Well, that's because you slept most of the train journey.
Yeah. Well, I can only sell my phone for the train journey because my phone's 28%.
Because you've got no battery.
Yeah.
Sure, we'll sort you out a cable and then you can charge on the way home in the car. You can watch what you like. Is that someone's house there? I saw them, they were working on it when I got the train last time, yeah. It's a pretty awesome house. I'm not sure I want to be perched by the road and the railway. Look, so the guy's doing this roof for it now, look.
Yeah.
They're doing it up. Well, they have got a park over the road. Right, so it's a short walk from the station. Yeah, and as it's not raining, we'll be doing that.
It might not be raining, but it's still freezing.
It is freezing. It is freezing. And and on that basis I'm putting my hand in my pocket and turning this off. Right, here we go. We're at Malvern. Malvern. Anyway, Morgan. We're at Morgan. Oh, it's always nice to see a midsummer's arse as you walk in. Look, it is very nice indeed. Very nice. But whilst we're here, always check the car park. There's a particularly. I know that I'm walking past lots of beautiful Morgans when I do this, but look at this Land Rover, Master Khaki. That, oh, it's a twisted Landy. Yes, very nice indeed. Yeah. Little bit jealous, but not completely. Be doing my thing with one in the future. That's really quite nice. Right, so here we are. We are at the service department, and there she is. Oh, Mister. I have to say, I don't normally miss cars, but I've really missed this car. It's not even if it's been the weather to go ragging it, but I tell you what, yeah, being at home and not having that on the driveway, it bothers me. Compared to the 911 that I haven't had pretty much since July, which has been with Paul Tunbridge, don't miss that at all. But this, yeah, baby's coming home. Rob's here, and he's you know, he's keeping quiet and out of the way. But yeah, I love my bloody car. So yeah, I'm looking forward to ragging it and seeing what the Nitron suspension does. Ta-da! So we're back down. We're back down after picking the car up from the service department. I know, and you might have noticed a few hours have gone by since we arrived, but we have been busy doing other stuff. Yeah, in terms of, you saw me rant and raving about the twisted Land Rover earlier, which is obviously very, very nice indeed. What other things of beauty do we have? Obviously my car, which is just the best. That is definitely the best +6 out there. Yes, indeedy. And then it's quite a nice Ferrari. It's quite nice. I say it's quite nice. Not my thing, but for some people, definitely. Sorry.
It's okay, it's all right.
Just wandering around, filming cars.
It's all right. You know.
Yeah, getting in people's way. That's what I shouldn't be doing. Lovely, lovely. Yes, yes, indeed. I do like my car. Do like my car a lot. It is rather lovely. Right, time for a wee and a cup of tea, and then home time. Just the 3 hours in the car. Has it with me. Have the music on, it'd be lovely.